class 10 optional mathematics. Topic is polynomial and the subtopic is synthetic division. Synthetic division is the simplest, easiest way to find out remainder and quotient just by taking out the coefficient of polynomial. Here we will learn how to divide a polynomial by a binomial without going to the division process. So it is also called a very easiest way of division. This synthetic division will help you to solve out complex polynomial division. So student, I think you will enjoy this class. So let's go to the synthetic division process. In this synthetic division, when 4x cubed minus 2x squared plus 8x plus 9 is divided by x minus 9, then we should not show the whole division process to find out quotient and remainder. That is why synthetic division is very widely used nowadays. But synthetic division using, there should be some things to point out. Number one thing. The number one thing is there the sequence of variable? Is there the sequence of variable or not? Sequence means one after another. Either ascending, either descending. Let's check out. X cubed, x squared, x1, x0. Okay, this is on a proper sequence. So while taking out the coefficient for synthetic division, we will not have any problem. But if you try to solve the division process without missing a sequence, now if you look this question, x cubed, x, sequence is missing. The sequence that comes after x cubed is x squared part. There is no x squared part. So in such case, you have to take out the coefficient at 0 in synthetic division, because this is the division process by taking the coefficient. My dear students, don't forget it. We divide by coefficient. So that is also why it is also called coefficient division process. This is why it is called coefficient division process. Here, a polynomial is divided by a binomial x minus a. This, the value of a, is going to be a dividing number that we start. So it will be more clear by the example, my dear students, synthetic division. So let's have one example and let's read it clearly, because you know this is going to be a very important thing in this class 10. So let's divide 2x cubed plus 7x squared minus 5 by x plus 3 using synthetic method, my dear students. So in this synthetic method, don't forget to check the sequence every time. Okay? 3, 2, and there is no x, so it is descending order, it is proper. X power 3, x power 2, x power 1. One sequence is missing here, don't forget it. Okay. So polynomial fx equals to 2x cubed plus 7x squared minus 5. Divisor is equal to x plus 3. We have to find out the value of a, comparing with the x minus a equals to minus 3. So minus 3 is going to be very important now. If you compare the x minus a3, then a is obviously minus 3. So using synthetic division method, now please look carefully what I am going to do. Now let's take out the coefficient. 2, one sequence down. 7, one sequence down. No, there is no sequence down. There is a missing one. X should be there. So 0, one sequence down, minus 5. and the important number that is divided is -3. So this is what we should do step 1, my dear student. If any sequence is down or missing, please keep their coefficient 0. Now, let's synthetic division we have to add always add. There's nothing here to add, so 2. Now cross multiply, 3 2 are 6 minus 6 and add 1. Cross multiply, 3 1s are 3 and add 3 3 are minus 9 and add that is minus 14. This is the remainder in synthetic division. And the remaining number indicates the quotient. Quotient, Q-U-O-T-I-E-N-T, quotient. When the main dividend starts with x cube, then the quotient will start by 1 down because it is divided by a binomial. Remember, with x power 1. So the quotient will be 1 down. That is 2x squared plus x plus 3. I hope you understood how to find quotient and remainder very easily with the help of synthetic division method. Let's enjoy another example. Let's this time do with together, you and me. So this is for the practice, my dear student, synthetic division. So let's do it together, one after another. Example number 2. Divide 2x4 minus 7x cubed plus x minus 12 by x minus 3. So in synthetic division method, we are learning here the way the divisor is binomial term. So solution fx equals to 2x4 minus 7x cubed plus x minus 12, and here divisor binomial term x minus a equals to x minus 3. Therefore a equals to 3 this time. Now let's find out the remainder quotient very easily by using synthetic method. That is, check out the quotient in sequence. 4 3 2 is missing here, 1 0. So x power 2 is missing here, so we have to put 0 in between here. 2 minus 7 0 1 minus 12. And the dividing number is 3 is given by x minus 8. So it's always about adding, nothing to add. So write 2. Now multiply and add. Multiply and add. Multiply and add. A minus 9, 1 is minus 8 and 24. So it's 36, which is remainder in this polynomial division, and this is the quotient. Quotient starts from 1 down. It is x power 4, so it's x power 3 minus x squared minus 3x minus 8. So this is how we find quotient and remainder by the simple division process, which is called synthetic division. So I hope you enjoyed this synthetic division class of polynomial. And please do practice from your book, practice book. If you find any confusion, give the confusion in the comment box. Thank you for the class. Subscribe the channel and keep tuned. Thank you.